Hello everybody, my name is Andrew, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to open an IRA or individual retirement account with Fidelity. Whether Roth or traditional, the process is the same. If you're not sure what it is, whether you should get one, or you cannot decide between Roth and traditional, go check out this video, and now go grab a cup of coffee, ideally from my Rock Icons collection, a link in the description, and let's start. First of all, of course, go to the website fidelity.com. Click Open an Account, and here you have the full selection. Today I am going to open a Roth IRA, so open a Roth IRA. Are you already a Fidelity member? No. Some info, next. And here is some basic information that you need to fill out: your name, social security, date of birth, your citizenship, phone number, email, where do you live, so your address, and next. Give me a moment, I will fill this out. Okay, and clicking next. Tell us about your job. Are you employed? Here you need to select employed, self-employed, not employed, retired, or employed by Fidelity Investments. I am employed. And here is the details of your employment. All right, I have already filled out all of the information about my employer, and now the associations. I am not associated with anyone. Go with next. Take a moment to review and confirm your information. So account type Roth IRA, and here I'm going to select an FDIC, Insured Deposit Sweep Program. I want that. E-delivery enrolled. And then all of my personal information, my employment information is just confirming. Before you open an account, here are some documents about the disclosures, terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. I'm ready to open the account. Congratulations, your account is open. Do we even need a video like that? Then next. On this page, they're asking you to create a username and a password and choose a security question. Next. Your username and password are established. Congratulations. Now let's go next. All right, sign up for real-time quotes. Tell us if you will be using this data for personal, non-business. Yeah. Review the agreement. All right, that's a 3-to-1 agreement, as you would expect. I agree. Oh, boring. Confirmation, thank you. You will now receive real-time quotes. Close. And here's the account. That was quick. A lot quicker than M1 Finance, by the way. And now we need to link a bank account. So let's go and select transfer from your checking or savings account. Start funding. Which account do you want to move money from? Link a bank account to a Fidelity account. Continue. Extra security step. All right, let's select next, and I will try the text message. Let's see, security code. Next. Link a new bank account. I am the owner. A checking account. Of course, we're not keeping money in our savings accounts, right? Because savings accounts are pretty much a scam. And if you've been following this channel, you should know that. If you don't, well, subscribe. What can I say? And you will learn what to have instead of a checking account. Okay, now the routing number and account number. If you don't know where to find that, you should go just directly to the bank account that you want to link, or these numbers are usually on the paper checks that we have. All right, I'm going to link my Discover and agree and continue. All right, success. Your bank account has been linked. And someone is bothering me. I bet it's Discover. Anyways, next step, transfer money now. Let's do that. Okay, from the bank account that I have linked. Where will the money be transferred to? Okay, to my Roth IRA, of course. Estimated time, 3 business days. Which year are you contributing to? And this is very important. Before you file taxes, before the deadline, so I believe it's usually mid-April, like April 15th, you are able to contribute to the previous year. And that's something that, well, this is not financial advice, but that's what I would love to do, because I would love to have all of my options like IRAs maxed out for previous years. Okay. Anyway, so the contribution year here, and the contribution limit is 6K for 2020. I'm going to just try it out, so I will have just $500. Let's see, continue, contribution year, and submit. Transfer request has been submitted. Money sent. 2 business days. So the very next morning, the money was already there, and I've decided to throw in 1 extra K. So far, I'm pretty impressed how fast and easy things have been going, but at the same time, I have to say that Fidelity doesn't seem as intuitive and user-friendly as, say, M1 Finance. But it might not be really apples to apples, because there are more features in Fidelity than in M1 Finance, and it's just a more complex and advanced platform in general, so something to get used to. Anyways, let's finally get to investing. But wait, hold on a second. Before we get to investing, let me just say that if you're completely new to this, my suggestion would be to start with index funds. Of course, as always, not a financial advice, just for educational purposes, but index funds seem to be the safest option when it comes to participating in the stock market. And that's exactly what I have been choosing for my Roth IRA since the beginning. But now I'm switching to a more aggressive strategy now that I learned more about investing in the companies that I'm putting my money into. However, people love index funds. Warren Buffett loves index funds. There are many kinds of them: VOO, SPHD, VYM. So you would have to do a little research as to which one works for you. But let's go and check out, for instance, VOO, which is a very, very popular index fund by Vanguard. Here you see all of the information about it. On the right, you see their expense ratio, which is really just a steal. And if you decide to go with VOO, you would go here, hit buy, and then yes, Roth IRA, go. And here you are going to customize and place your order. As you can see, currently 1 share of VOO goes for $349. And if you would love to get 1 share, you just type in 1. If you would love to get 10, here you are. But what happens when you only have like $100 left in your account and 1 share goes for over $300? Well, I've got some great news for you, my friend, and that is fractional share trading. Fidelity offers this feature, and that basically means that you can define the amount in dollars. That means that you can tell Fidelity to purchase just $100 worth of VOO, which is amazing because now you don't have to wait until you have enough money to get just 1 share. You can be invested all the time, pretty much with every penny that you have in your account. And to do that, you would go buy and you would set it as a limit order. That's basically the main reason why I've decided to switch from M1 Finance to Fidelity, to finally be able to define the price at which I would love to get my shares. So if the price is $349, I would love to say like, okay, if it dips to $335, I would love to have some. And then you preview your order and you place it. However, as I've already mentioned, I would love to switch to a more aggressive strategy and focus on individual stocks. That's something that I definitely do not recommend you doing, especially if you're just starting out. But I've been digging deeper and deeper into the stock market, into day trading, into swing trading, and the companies that I would love to put my money into. And I do feel comfortable about the risk-reward ratio, and that's just the risk that I'm fine with. One of those companies is Tesla. So let's go and check out Tesla, which is currently on sale, by the way. Here you have all of the information on the Tesla stock. Below is the chart, and let's go and check it out even closer. So we see that the highest price was $900, and then it has been on the decline to the current price of $675. However, a few days ago, the price dropped to $619, which is a very juicy dip. Yesterday, they released the news that Tesla had decided to put their Model 3, which is their most popular model, on hold in their California factory because of the global shortage of chips. So my assumption, just an opinion, do not follow what I'm saying here, is that the price might drop to more or less the same low price as a few days ago. And I would love to grab that dip. And for that, I would go to buy. If I don't get that, I will just raise up my price. But just for fun, I would love to get a juicy dip on Tesla. Why not? So I will have, let's say, one share that is going to be a limit order. And I'm going to place, let's say $625. That would have been dope. Okay, buy. And we're going to set it as a GTC, good until the order is canceled. And let's preview the order and place it. Just like that. Of course, there is a lot more to it, but this should be enough for you to at least start. Just please don't YOLO your life savings on some crappy penny stocks. Start small, index funds, and then you will adjust your strategies as you learn more about the stock markets and how the whole machine works. Okay, back to you, Andrew. I really hope you are as excited as I am about this new IRA account with Fidelity. If you would like to see more videos about investing and just in general growing your wealth while having a good time, please consider subscribing and liking this video. My name is Andrew, and I will clickbait you next time.